I just bought Juki TL2010Q, and I sew in couple days. I ordered him or her, and it's black needle here, 100, and nylon bonded thread. But the sound I don't like. Is it something with needle or with bobbin? I don't know, but I think it shouldn't be like that. Sometimes it's hit harder inside, but shit. No. Well, mistake. Okay, let's start from here. I don't know if it should be like that or like vibration. And weird stuff. Maybe needle is too big because of that, but I don't know. So yes, some thoughts about that.